After seeing this video, you'll understand how to use Google searches to quickly earn $1,200 a day. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Today, we're going to make money via the website MindSumo.com. They provide you this sum simply for approving each offer. A few $100 or tens of thousands of dollars may be offered. When you visit the website's main page, which is where you'll find them, you may observe the numerous renowned businesses that utilizes it. You may view them for yourself on the screen. There is a large list of additional businesses among them, such as Pepsi, Avon, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Adidas, and Facebook. As you can see, this website works in a way where each challenge has a deadline that will be distributed among the top recommendations or search results. How does it operate? For this one, all you have to do is conduct a Google search and provide an insightful recommendation. I'll lead you through the procedure. Once you have all the necessary paperwork, you can share your suggestion by clicking Have an Idea. When it's done, you'll get something, and so will everyone else who have solid ideas. You can see that they get paid $1,600 for all of these people and paid them each $166.70 in this other deal over here. In this system, the top 5 responses get $1,000. The following 7.5% will get $400, and the following 12.5% will get $200. For something you can quickly search for on Google and submit without putting in any effort at all, even if you only make $200 here, it's still worthwhile. The website requires registration because $200 is a sizable quantity of money. Simply click Login Sign Up in the top right corner to get started. You can then sign in with Facebook or Twitter, or by entering your email address and password. I suggest against doing so. It would be far better to just create a new account. You can get to this page by just clicking Don't Have an Account. Name, location, birthday, gender, and information about your first and last names, as well as your technical, marketing, and creative abilities. Although they will need your consent to each one, don't pick them all. First name, last name, location, and country can all be entered without regard to the person's origins. Enter your birthday, password, gender, and email address. This is the option you want to select under Creativity, Marketing, and Technical Skills. You will select High Proficiency if you click on the first 3 selections. They'll sign you up for a newsletter, which you don't want. So just click the last 3 here that says, "Are you accepting the terms and conditions?" Click those options. You should see only one choice for each. You will be asked to select between I'm a corporation or I'm a problem solver as soon as you sign up. After all the other fields have been filled out, just click I'm not a robot and sign up. They will introduce you and, if you desire, provide you with instructions here. You are not forced to watch these movies. They are only given for your convenience. Please do not feel under any pressure. Their goal is to help you choose the best solutions. I simply scroll to the very bottom of the page and choose View Current Challenges. The page with the challenges is now where we left off. When you arrive at this page, as you can see, they are on a deadline. When you visit the website, if you select this option here that says All, it has the completed ones and it will display complete. Reviewing are the ones that have already closed, and they are reviewing the responses. Closing soon are the ones that will close soon, and these are the ones that have a lot of time left. For example, this one has 3 days left and it will display closing soon. All you have to do to take one is click on the one you want to take. Leave this website for a bit once you arrive at it, since we need to look for solutions. This is what they want. So we'll search Google for a solution to this. The better your response, the bigger. I'll simply copy this and paste it into Google. I'm just going to open this website because, as you can see, it was the first result that appeared. You are not required to pick just one, even though most people undoubtedly do so. If you want, select a variety of articles. The next step is to save it as a PDF and upload it to the website. Google Docs can be used to integrate them, and I'll show you how to accomplish that as well. Let's do this right. I'm simply going to replicate this one section of the first article I came upon. They only need the results. They don't need the complete piece, so I'll only copy this and this. Make sure you only copy the most effective portions. I'm just sort of duplicating everything right now. But when you do this, pay close attention to read everything to see how well it functions. Copy it, then paste it into your Google Doc by going to docs.google.com. Let's look for another one. The one I want to click is this one. Once more, we're interested in effects rather than root causes. I'll make copies of this and this as well. After scrolling down on my doc, I'll paste it here. The process can be repeated when we add something else to make it even bulkier and have more information. Remove any extraneous items such as images or store buttons. To make it look more professional, read it over when you're finished and remove any links. Given that they even have this outline over here on the left, Google Docs is a professional tool. It is easy to use and accessible to everyone. Right now, we're going to download it as a PDF. When you're done curating it, download the article as a PDF. When you select download from the file menu in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, the PDF file will be downloaded to your computer. Let's go back to MindSumo.com and click I have a suggestion. Do you currently use any cream serums or any other items to treat around your eyes? I'll just choose no and then enter the heading for our discussion. Visit the location where you wish to save the file in your Google Drive account. If you utilize Gmail, you already have a Google Drive account. If you don't already have a Gmail account, just go to gmail.com. Simply select a username and create a new Gmail account to get started. When finished, upload the downloaded PDF using the steps below. Simply drag and drop it here and it will be uploaded to your Google Drive account. Right-click the file after it has been uploaded and choose Share to get a link to it. The person who clicks on the link won't be able to view the file if you leave it in this format. Click this and then anyone with the link to make it visible to anyone who clicks on the link. Go back to MindSumo and paste the link after copying it from here. They're not giving me the options because this new account I made is brand new, so we'll just copy the entire thing. Once you have submitted enough articles to them, they will allow you to paste the link. Since this is a new account, you're unable to accomplish that. Simply click the Ctrl+C to copy the entire page back to the Google Doc where the article was originally created. Then go back to MindSumo and paste the copied text into the Enter Your Solution Here box. Take note of the articles we copied from, such as this, and this one, and copy the links to those articles. Copy the links to all of the sources you have here, where it says Sources. It will give you the chance to add another one if you simply click Add Another Source. All you need to do is navigate to the search page, copy the link, and then paste the URLs where it says Sources before clicking Submit. I would have to wait an additional 8 days in this case before they reviewed all the submitted responses. After then, just like everyone else you see here on the screen, I would be able to receive payment for the value of the offer that they are making. After you complete one offer and they have paid you once, they will give you the option to add your bank account, PayPal account, or whatever way you like to be paid by. Let me go through it again, and in case you missed anything in this video, registering for a MindSumo account is the initial need. The second step is to locate an offer that you want to accept. The third step is to go to Google and look up the transaction you need to complete. Check the outcomes of Google search by pasting it here. Once you have all the answers, put them together in a Google Doc file. They will ask you to paste your article because it is a new account when you go back to MindSumo to answer the question. After completing that, you can copy and paste as usual. Only the first few times are necessary for this. Simply wait or take the next offer that comes along. This is a pretty incredible deal, and getting the money is so easy that there isn't any work involved. It goes without saying that you will gain from this. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.